In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import reviews to your Shopify store. Now, for example, if you have a product on your Shopify but you don't have the reviews, then this video is for you. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open your Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now, after that, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Here you want to download this app. It's called Ali Reviews. Okay, now this is the app that you need to download. As you can see, it's called Ali Reviews app. It says here free. Okay, now you want to click on install and you want to click on install app in the top right. By the way, this app is free, so you don't have to pay for anything. Now after that, you want to go with the free plan. As you can see, it says here the basic and the premium. Now you can choose the free plan, sign up for free, and then click this X. After that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on manage reviews in the top. As you can see, it says here manage reviews, and here you will find all your products, all your Shopify products. Now, for example, I want to add reviews to this product, this gaming chair. You just need to click on import reviews, and here you can import these reviews from any Amazon products or AliExpress products. But let's say that you imported this product from another e-commerce website, but it's not here. But you just need to find this exact product on AliExpress or Amazon, and you need to find a product that has reviews that you really want to add to your Shopify, and then you can then import these reviews to your Shopify. So for example, I'm going to give you guys an example, because for example, man is gaming chair. Okay, now I'm going to search for this specific product on Amazon, for example, or AliExpress. I'm going to right click on the picture and I'm going to search images with Google. As you can see, this is the image that I am going to search for. Now, as you can see on Amazon, this gaming chair is available on Amazon. This is it. Okay, now I'm going to click here, and as you can see, it has reviews. As you can see, it has 235 reviews. Now what you need to do, guys, next is just need to copy the link of the item, and you need to paste it here. Make sure the product on Amazon or AliExpress, it has the reviews. As you can see, these are the reviews. If it doesn't have reviews, you want to find another product that is similar to yours but have reviews. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Now if you want these reviews to have pictures, to have should have images, you want to select this, and here you want to select the number of reviews. For example, I would select 4 reviews. If you want to have feedback text, you want to check it. Okay, now you want to click on import. As you can see, it says here product import request submitted. You just need to wait a few seconds and reviews will be imported to that product. It's very easy, guys, and simple. You just need to wait a few you just need to wait a few seconds, and then the reviews will be imported to your Shopify store. Okay, now I imported the reviews to this product. Now after you import the reviews, you will find all these reviews at the bottom of the product, okay, on your Shopify. You just need to wait. As you can see, they are importing now the reviews. You just want to give it some time, and here it says here reviews imported, and it says here 0. Like I said, just give it some time and the reviews will be imported. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. So click the video in the screen if you want to learn more about Shopify. Have a good day.